Okay, so this is my little video for the live code with Sephora Flatiron. I don't know if you remember Sephora, but I hope I'm saying your name right. You asked me to create create a filter or a search component over here, or a element to search for items by name. So if I do brown, see this one has brown there, brown, like brown, brown, Shirley. Send, snapback, and well, the rest of them don't have anything there. That matches. If I do Adidas, get A. They all have A. F. There you go. So that's how it works over there. And the way I implemented this, by the way, was really tough the first time. I tried this. It wasn't perfect, so I had to use some assistance to come up with a few things here and there until I got the right outcome. So I got my function in app. Well, first of all, the event happens in the input bar in the shop component. So I usually like to work like that. I have shop here. So I created my input here. I put an event handler, and I'm capturing the value here of the search term, which is a state variable in my app. I just pass it here as a prop to be able to modify it. So I also passed a callback function from app that's called handle search. So on change, I trigger handle change. I pass the event object. The event object. The reason I pass the event object is because I want to capture the event.target.value, and pass it down to handle search, which is right here. And what this does is its only purpose is to set the term to the input being passed by the user. And so that term is going to be stored as a state variable, which I'm going to use to filter out this state variable right here. So before I was passing the entire collections here, but now that I have an input changing or that will affect that collections, I'm not going to pass the collections state variable, but instead the filtered collections state variable that I filter in this variable right here. I say for each collection inside collections, I want to return an object with everything that's inside collection, but the items property inside each collection, I want to return filtered. And so I'm filtering, saying, well, does the item.name to lowercase include the search term to lowercase, and that's basically saying, is this input lowercase, right, to make it to avoid case sensitivity. If this term lowercase exists or it's in any part of the name inside the item object, also lowercase, then return either well true or false. So if it is true, if that is inside here, then return that item. Um, then return the whole item, and then so this becomes a whole new array here of filtered items, and um, the this map returns a whole new array of collections with their items property filtered. So once that is created, the new array is created or filtered, then I pass it down to well, it passes down as a prop to shop, and well, shop does what it does, which is it iterates through that filtered collection. This is called collections because that's actually the name of the props, but the value of collections is search collections, which is the filtered array. So that is how this works right here. I hope that was okay. If not, just let me know and I'll try to explain it better. Thank you, Sephora. Bye bye.